Hello, let's see who is speaking today. Mary's sister loves speaking uses. Fran speaking about horses sagles. Tom, zebra, and Dixie's snakes are usual. Legs zigzag on the ice with Phillips skates. The candidate speeches sounded false. Thousand saw Shakira show. Her face showed a nice smile. Wendy's sister likes saucers. Cyclope says discipline. Oh, only, open, over, okay, ocean, owner, oh dear, alone, no, truck, throne, John, stone, could, come, go, no, show, throw, grow, flow, tomato, potato. Found John at home. Done, good, thrown, stones. Did is numb and grows. You owe Joe a hot coat. My nose and throat hurts. Joe grows tomatoes and potatoes. Don't go to shower alone. Somebody had stole me home. Thank you.